Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I'm Alfizkia Monika Nurul Safinaz from Jenderal Sudirman University, majoring in English Education 2020. Today, I would like to present you about phonological rules. So, what is phonological rules? Basically, a phonological rules is a formal way of expressing a systematic phonological or morphonological process or diachronic sound change in language. Then, what are the types of phonological rules? Okay, so the first type is assimilation. So what is assimilation? Assimilation is a phonological process in which a sound changes to resemble a nearby sound and can occur both forward and backward within a word or between words. For example, the prefix in, where sometimes it appears as in and others as in front of bilabial words like food or between, in is pronounced with an m input or in between. And second is dissimilation. Dissimilation is phonological process in which two close sounds, similar consonant or vowels, change to become less alike. For example, manner dissimilation in which a stop becomes a fricative when followed by another stop. The word sixth is pronounced sixth, where s becomes st. And now we jump to the next type. The third is insertion. Insertion is phonological process in which a sound is added to a word. Example, voiceless stop insertion, where between nasal consonant and a voiceless fricative. A voiceless stop with the same place of articulation as the nasal consonant is inserted. In English, many add a p to hamster and say hamster. And the next type is dilation or elation. Dilation is phonological process in which speech sounds disappear from words. For example, vowels can be dilated to make one-syllable words that are easier to pronounce in a vast manner. For example, police becomes police, and friendship is said as friendship. And the next type is metathesis. Metathesis is a phonological process in which sounds switch places in the phonemic structure of a word. For example, to make words easier to pronounce and understand, letters are switched. Two historical examples include Old English, breed and ask, becoming modern English, bird and ask. And the fifth is strengthening or fortification. So what is strengthening? Strengthening is a phonological process in which a sound is made stronger. For example, aspiration is where voiceless stops become aspirated when they occur at the beginning of a stressed syllable. Top is said with an h. And the next is weakening or lenation. Weakening is a phonological process in which a sound becomes weaker. For example, flapping is the phonological process of weakening whereby the voiceless alveolar stop consonant phoneme t is pronounced as a voiced alveolar flap, like in the word kitty. This usually happens before a stressed vowel and before unstressed vowel, where the sound is pronounced with the articulation resembling a flap. Okay, and that's all the types of phonological rules, and this is the last for our presentation. Thank you for watching and hope this is useful for you, and see you. Bye bye.